Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maram, your girl, with another video. Guys, I really miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. I don't know how much I miss you guys. You guys can't believe this. Maram, where were you? Oh my god, guys, I was so busy. But I miss you guys so much. How much do you guys miss me? Do you guys really miss me? If you know you miss Maram, please let me know in the comment section. And how are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Guys, welcome back to another lifestyle video. Guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys this hotel room. It is so beautiful. I have a stool here, and this is the dressing table. Yes, it's a dressing table. You can also have your breakfast there, just like a mini dining. And I think there is a fridge inside here. Oh yes, there is a fridge, just a mini fridge. And the maid is royal. You have a chair, just one chair. Now I'm going to show you this side. This is the couch, just one, but it's beautiful. And you have a bed here, the master bed. This is so beautiful. I think I have to stand somewhere where I can take the view very well. I love this. This flower is so beautiful. Oh my god, I really love this. I love it. And see the blinds, the way they did it. The color is just calm and beautiful. You have an AC here. Yes, see the stand lantern, very beautiful. And there's a screen here, television screen. Yep, I just love the bed, the way they dress the bed. I'm gonna be dressing my bed like this now on. I have a way of dressing my bed, but I'm gonna copy this. Are you seeing this? Can you see this? I think I need to go stand down there so that you guys will see it properly. Yes, can you see this? This is so beautiful. I just love it, the way the bed is just being dressed. I love beautiful things. Yeah, and you have a dustbin truss here, and then you have a cupboard. Yes, this is a safe. Hey, I'm gonna be showing you guys the toilet. So welcome to the restroom. Some call it toilet. So many names, I'm telling you guys. Even some people, when they want to urinate, they will say, I want to pee. So if you are part of the people who said, I want to pee, I want to urinate, please let me know on the comment section. You guys do not laugh at me, okay? I love seeing myself like Nengi with the iPhone. Anyway, my phone is not iPhone. This is just a Samsung. Yep. See. Just beautiful. I love seeing the toilet in here, clean and neat. You see this? Are you seeing this? Oh my god, I can't video this less. I gotta open this and show you guys. In here, the shower, there's a heater up there. Yes, a heater. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna close this back. I hope you guys love this hotel. It's so beautiful. The hotel is beautiful and it's not really expensive. It's very affordable. It's called Santiago Hotel. Yep, Santiago Hotel in Nigeria. So I came for some work and then I just have to spend one night. No, two nights. Not one night, 2 nights. Yeah. So I said, let me just show you guys my living room. Yes, this is a compliment. Yes, anything you use here, you don't have to pay it, but extra things you use, you gotta pay it. So tell me on the comment section if you guys love this hotel or not. Let me know in the comment section. So this is Santiago. So in case you come to Lagos and then you want to take any hotel that is really comfortable, affordable, and then beautiful, you can go for this. And they have a gym, they have a spa, they have a salon, they have business sections, a lot of things. Okay, and this is their menu. So this is their menu. Additional favorites. Okay, then I'm gonna turn to the new other page. Let me move it here so that you guys will see it properly. cocktails, like if you want to take any drink and then you want them to be mixed. Some people cannot do cocktail, but some hotels, they are good in it. And then this one is a food menu. If you like eating food, if you are a foodie, please gather here because you're gonna see this with me. So that's it. The appetizer light meals, guys. I remember when I went to India the first day, they brought some things for me like soup, breads, paratha, I don't know, so many things. I thought that that's the meal. I was eating like a donkey, sorry to say that. But later I saw them bringing the main food, brianda. I don't know brianda, how do they call it? If you know you are from India, let me know. I was asking myself, is this the main food or what? I was so surprised. India, they like food. Oh my god. So this is appetizer, please. There, whenever they give you appetizer, know that the main food is coming. So the grill and bar menu, if you want to eat anything grill, you gotta come here. I love grill so much. Barbecue fish, I love it. Grilled chicken, I love it. I love grilled turkey, I love grilled gizzard, I love grilled snail. What didn't I like? Maram loves everything. And then assorted meat, chicken and chips, chicken vegetables, shallow fried gizzard. Yes, I love it so much. But shallow fried snail, I don't like it. Goat meat pepper soup, it's nice when it is spicy. Yes, when it is spicy, it's so amazing. The aroma can even make you to be eating. So it always tantalizes me whenever I see it. So this is the menu. Please. That's the menu. So I think I'm good with that. So I'm gonna show you guys the structure of the hotel. Can you see this? This is the structure of the hotel. It's so beautiful. Yes, neat and clean. Whenever you are outside the premises, you will know that this hotel is neat, and it's just at the main road. It's not really difficult to know. So that's it. You see what I was telling you? That's the room, and that's the one I video. And this is the massage section. Especially when you come here with couple for honeymoon, you're gonna enjoy this. Yes, you're gonna enjoy it because you all are going there for the massage to relax your body. Okay, so I think this is the deep tissue massage, and the other one is the Swedish massage. So you gotta know this so that whenever you go to any hotel, you will know that these are the things you can get. Yes, there are some hotels you don't get all these offers, but I think in most cases it depends on what you pay, the amount of money you pay. There are standard, there are duplexes, there are extra suites. So whatever you think you can afford, that's what you get. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here, and I hope that you guys will like this video, and please give me a thumbs up whenever you love the video, and always subscribe so that you can be seeing more of my contents. And I hope that you will subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. That's the tradition. So guys, roll on the video and then check other videos. Okay, bye, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. So guys, see what I'm about to have for breakfast. Oh. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is scrambled egg, and then sausage, and then toast bread. Yes, and I'm gonna take a hot chocolate, so I'm gonna mix it by myself. So you guys come and join me for breakfast. It's okay. Yes. nice na ku na mu Sénégal resta sama sax waaw waaw lii jeebu jaga ay waay xoolal gaare gi ni may xoolee xoolal ma jaxatu bi yow lii daal ma def ci ma ko ceeb ah waaw xoolal ma bi ak
I love you, boy. I love you too.